guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this new Panty subscription that I found out about. It's called Heaven Panty. Well, they gave us a tape measure. That's cool. Okay. Then they gave us a little welcome thing. Things you can do to get like 50% off or whatever. Oh, look, there's pull tabs on here. Okay, so this is pretty. Is this green? It looks green. You can't really tell in my lighting here, but it's green. Let's take it off the little hooky things. Okay. So there we go. Those are cute. These retail for $12. Looks like they make their own underwear, so those are cute. I like those. They gave us this is a trial, like a trial thing. And I think it goes up by panty, like one panty a month is $4.99, I think. And then 2 panties would be like I know they're pretty cheap, so I'll put prices up. So for my first trial pair, they're cute. So yeah, that's short and sweet. So I'll have all the details when I edit up around here somewhere. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like subscription box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.